So today we're going to talk about why LTL pricing is so confusing. Let's say you've gone out to the marketplace and you're looking for pricing in LTL, and you've got XPO, ABF, and AAA Cooper, and all three of them have come back with an 85% discount. You're thinking, all right, we're all on the same page here. The reality is you're not. If you gave all three of these carriers a shipment from Illinois to Texas, that's 5,000 pounds at a class 60, here's what I can tell you. If you're working under the carrier's own current base rate, this shipment that you're gonna give the same ship stats to all three carriers, for XPO, it's gonna cost you $691 and change. For ABF, it's gonna cost you $684 and change. And for AAA Cooper, it's actually gonna cost you $589. Confusing, right? Why is that? It's confusing because of these carriers' own base rates. There are no two the same. So carriers release their own version of their base rates and then they update them every year. It's usually 12 months. So the other thing to be mindful of is not only does an 85% not equal the same costs across all carriers, let's say you go with XPO and next year they say, you know what, Jill, we're gonna continue with that 85% discount, but they've increased their base rate year over year. So this $691 shipment that you gave XPO a year ago potentially could be $700 year two. So really important that you understand the base rate. How do you combat this? You combat it by negotiating off of a neutral base rate. Zarlite is a really great version, and they too have every year. So you can dictate the year of the base rate that you're gonna use. But negotiating off of a common base rate really allows you to get on a level playing field. So as these discounts come back in your proposals, if they are the same and you're working on the same base rate, you're now dealing with the same line haul cost. And then it's a matter of making sure you understand your negotiated FAK structure, fuel surcharge, and accessorials. But step one is get this base rate right.